Well, hello everyone. So, last class there was some problem. We couldn't do it. Sorry for that issues. Why did I tell class, bro? I didn't get it. I mean, I'm sorry for everyone. Well, so we was writing the schema and I was blanked only that what should I keep this schema and what how do I design it. Though I have wrote so many schema and took a help of mainly I took the help of GPT in writing the schema. I thought it was not important, but after hearing that the girl who was getting interviewed from the visa company, the interviewer asked her to design database schema, that too also for the SQL table, and that too something has happened. She was telling that the primary key and all issues there in that. Anyways, okay, so um we are working on user and project. So auth will happen after that from here to here, and then they will make the project. They will make some like a small project like this, and after that from here to here, from here to here they should enter into the arena, right? They should enter into the arena, a big arena where um this should be the big arena where they can in the site. If I talk about the UI, like, then this should be like this, and there should be the option, and then in this between there should be the template where they can edit their certificate. Okay, this looks good, but the problem here occurs is after taking the authentication system and making the project, after here there should be like a project. um there should be a project. mm, Inside that they should, okay, like, one thing I didn't understand that we take the how will we take the template. They have to somehow upload it here, right? On top of that we need to make it, and definitely we have to take some help. And here how we will write it, should we ask? No, no. Let me check the internet speed, guys. But why it freezes all the time? Looks good. Oh, where is ChatGPT? Do I need to take? It looks good. Okay, it's fast. Internet is fast enough. Handle the stream. as well as for certificate generator. um okay, let me do the schema first. There should be several projects project project, and then project should be this. um this is how we make the relationship. um Drawings, and then drawing project. Okay, should I make it projects, and I'll make it ruler plural. Yes, and it should be like this. And what the problem you have, brother? And here I'll take the user ID as field. User, let me keep it like this. User ID string, and um here I will join it, right? So how it's done, that should be like admin user, should be like the creator relationship. Okay, so user, we keep it like user. Hmm. Okay, anyways, user and relation, and we need to decide the field. So field should be the one which we are mapping this with this, mapping user ID with the ID of user table, and that will come under references ID. Okay, so all error went off. And again, um so inside there should be like, I'll make the certificate model also, model certificate, and this should be like, obviously I should carry this. How to copy one liner? How do I copy this? should, should be here, and id string, id default, uid, and so this is like one user can have multiple projects, and the project can be created by only single user, right? mm. I mean, the respective project they can create. After that, certificate will have this. Certificate, should I tell it certificate? Because see, after this, so if I am supporting like multiple, for example, I'll have to make somewhere that I'll be taking the bulk upload. So I need to think about. mm, this should be like, CSV data or XLS. So this should be like Excel data or the CSV data. Why? Because most of the time they either take by Google form, and that will return the CSV data as well as Excel data like Google Sheet data. So it has the extension called XLS. So it makes sense. Oh, okay. So if for example they show the data here and not here, no, somewhere they have to show the data here. They will show all the data. They will generate the certificate from here to here after modifying all the template, and from here to here we have to somewhere put whole like generated. Come on. Okay, so we have to put whole generators like um bulk certificate. We need to store it somewhere, right? Like for example, if we are keeping it like 100 we are taking 100 records, and we are putting in a project where they are, editing area. We'll copy it arena slash editing area slash editing area, and from here they will it, it will generate whole the bulk certificate, and this should be there should be the there should be the data for that also, right? So we have to keep it like um it's not clicking, by the way. Okay, so the I'll keep it like URL of the certificate, because you need to upload it here. This we need to this the whole bulk certificate. Yeah, is I'm telling it as storage, but again the issue is that how to tell this. Should I take the help of GPT, guys? Hmm. Database design I should learn. Probably I should learn. It's definite things to learn. Hmm. Certificate storage. I'll tell this. See, so this certificate thing, I should not call this certificate. This should either I should call it. It should there should be the template, right? I should call it. Um, they'll also upload the template, and we need to store it somewhere. We need to store it somewhere. The thing is where to store. Store the template model. So I'll call it certificate storage, certificate store, certificate store. I'll copy this. How can we select the whole line? How to select one line in VS Code? Control L, guys. LS. So I think there should not be any problem, and the connection is good, guys. I have to keep checking so that stream is well maintained. This is the Guys, one thing we can do, either I can see, after that I am blank right now. Either I can like open the GPT, or I can take the inline. But how will I learn, bro? If I directly do, I need to learn also, right? This is the end. Hmm. Okay, let me turn on the. So this will help me all little ways. I'll have to template name. Okay, template data. What's the data now? I'm not sure about this. Template data, template. Template data, I don't think so required. Okay, let me turn off the. It also doesn't have the full access, and I will have to go. I will have to this. Okay, okay. Um, I'm taking the help of this ChatGPT, and I'm giving the prompt. I am creating the certificate generator for the events happen worldwide. I have tried doing the tried writing the schema, but I'm unable to think. Definitely I should learn designing this database, guys. It is very must for the backend engineer, not the backend engineer. Like, if you're an engineer, you should learn it. I mean, if I'm talking about engineer, I'm talking about computer science. Do not quote me on this. So cold here, guys. I'm feeling cold now. Hmm. Okay, what should I give now? Example, I will make something like something like after taking the after taking the like like after the auth part, they can make the projects as well as the. Okay, they can merge the project as well as, and when they enters into the arena, they should be able to import the template file, and then they can edit the mm, what certificate. After that, I am wanting am want um I want that they should to offer two way. One way is that they can directly export it, and another way is that they, if they have the bulk data, like more than 100 record, guys, so have the options to they should have the option to upload the data, and from there they can generate whole 100 certificate, and then and then we need to convert this into the PDF, and we need to store it somewhere. um so blob storage, I mean the storage part, I am thinking of image kit or the cloudinary, since S3 is costlier. Guys, S3 we can do once we have like each and everything is working, then only we can have. Right now for the MVP, this is the solid concept. This is the things we had it. Let's enjoy the data. Obviously, device Prisma for check this user ID and checked that template generate certificate. Yeah, project will have this much, and the template will have the project ID. That's what I was missing, guys. The things which I was not able to guess it. So upload deploy will build it. Kind of going complex, guys. This is the end, guys. From the morning I have just coming in my mind. The templates add what is I'll run Prisma 1x Prisma for so was it added? It looks like this now. Looks something like I want to visualize this. Okay, let me go ahead, go through image. Okay, project will have, and then the project will have all ID. What is it like? Store positioning of field font size. Okay, okay. So this is kind of this config JSA will be kind of inside the template. So I will show you inside the template. This will be the arena, and inside that, for example, if we okay, let me go ahead it image section this okay. So now the thing is that why are you the net is crazy, guys. Going sometimes it works doesn't. going crazy. Okay, anyway, so guys, so this was I was talking that the configuration which I was telling you, this part config part, that in this they'll upload this like template kind of. Okay, we'll also keep the template, and now that they'll be placing some name, right? Like name would be there. Let's just so the positioning of this, so positioning of this field, they we have to uh, somehow keep the like coordinate the JSON field, because the this arena will be kind of canvas only. um Canvas might be will happen. This is the front end challenge and we need to tackle it. So that's filled. That's good by our GPT guys. GPT project works. And this is well, generator certificate should be inside this template. And if the template changed, generator data set really we need like participate at data set and data rows. Why these are, so guys, we need to make the parser basically. So we need to somehow parse, keep it in JSON from XLS, and this is so very simple projected. Okay, one more thing, that so this certificate doesn't has the QR code, right? And if I want to put the QR code on here so that anybody can verify it, so this is the QR, anybody can scan and anybody can view it. We have not put it, oh sorry, we have not put the uh fields will have this. Also, I need to ask content and design decision. Never store certificate PDF inside database. See the URL. That's good, right? It's saying zipper is image kit. Storage strategy, all good. Um, I want to store the QR code. It is the so guys now our QR code data will come in picture that um, the URL will come, right? Image URL. Well, so this will store the data in which it will be shoved into the QR code, and the URL of the QR code stored QR code image file, that will also be image, right? And will be also how to decide if they should not be so this is kind of it's important field like required field, but it should not be required. We have to take have to ask from the user if you need this QR code or not. Verified will be boolean, and it's all goes right. I will copy this, go to visualizer, prisma. Let me have water. um Guys, when I was designing user project, I was able to template, I was able to this data set and the data row generated certificate. I had guessed these two were new for me. For example, this name and the data JSON where we need what we need to store on the certificate was very new for me. I should have thought. Net is excellent. The frame is dropping. Check the. Let me check. Thing which the net sucks, bro.